Alright, here's your guys' review 2. Here's number 1. So we want this to be an exponential form, so we're going to add by 8 to both sides. And we are going to get 18 x minus 2 is equal to 75. This is an exponential form, this form, and now we want to change it to be this form. Log base of 18, 75 is equal to x minus 2. And then this becomes, we add 2 to both sides, and we have log base 18 of 75 plus 2 is equal to x. We are going to make this into calculator ready form. So we got log of 75 over log of 18 plus 2 is equal to x. Put this in your guys' calculator, and you guys should get 3.4937. Bringing the formula over here. All right. Okay, so for this one, you guys, we need to get it into exponential form. So we need to divide both sides by 4 first. 11 negative 5a is equal to 58 all over 4. So this is an exponential form, and we need to make it into log form. So log of 11, 58 over 4 is equal to negative 5a. Divide both sides by negative 5. So then we get log 11, 58 over 4 all over negative 5. And now we have to change this to become change of base form to get into calculator ready form. So we're going to have log of 58 over 4 divided by log of 11, all of this divided by negative 5. And that is going to equal our value, which is negative 0.223. Let's bring these formulas. Okay. Add 7 to both sides. Negative 2 e to the n minus 1 is equal to negative 84. Divide both sides by negative 2. E to the n minus 1 is equal to 42. This is an exponential form, so now we gotta get this into log form. Log base e of 42 is equal to n minus 1. So log base e, you guys, this is really ln. So we really have ln of 42 equals n minus 1, and we add 1 to both sides. So we get ln 42 plus 1 is equal to n. And this, you guys, is going to give us that. Number 4. So we are going to be adding 1 to both sides. So we have 8e to the 4k is equal to 86. Divide both sides by 8. So e to the 4k is equal to 86 divided by 8. This is an exponential form, so make it into log form. Log base e of 86 divided by 8 is equal to 4k. Log base e, you guys, is ln. And then divide both sides by 4. So put this in your guys' calculator, and it's going to give us that. Alright, here's 5. Let's get our... Alright, so we're going to add 2 to both sides. So 9 times 6, 3 minus 2v is equal to 70. Divide both sides by 9. So we're going to get 6, 3 minus 2v is equal to 70 over 9. This is an exponential form, so we got to make it into log form. So log base 6 of 70 over 9 is equal to 3 minus 2v. Subtract 3 from both sides. And then divide both sides by negative 2. So we're going to get log of, we're going to do change of base to make it in calculator ready form. So log of 70 over 9, log of 6 minus 3, all of this divided by negative 2 is equal to v, which is that. Moving along. 6, subtract 2. Negative 8 times 20, 10r minus 5 is equal to negative 56. Divide both sides by negative 8. 20, 10r minus 5 is equal to 7. This is exponential form, so now we gotta get to log form. So we got log of base 27 is equal to 10r minus 5. We're going to add 5 to both sides, so log base 20 of 7 is equal to 10r minus 5. Add 5 to both sides. Log base 20 of 7 plus 5 is equal to 10r. Divide both sides by 10. And now we'll go put it in calculator ready form. So log 7 over log 20 plus 5 all over 10 is equal to r, which is going to give you guys d. Okay, over here. Now I can automatically know we're gonna get log form. We gotta make it into exponential. So subtract 7 from both sides. We are gonna get log base 11 of 4v is equal to 3. Now we're gonna change it from log form to exponential form now. 11 to the third is equal to 4v. Divide both by 4, and we are going to put this into your calculator, which is going to give you guys this value right there. Moving this over here. So we need it to get into log form, so we need to get rid of that coefficient. divide both sides by 6. Log base 11 of n plus 5 is equal to negative 2. Now we're going to make it into exponential form, so 11 to the negative 2 power is equal to n plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. 11 to the negative 2 power minus 5 is equal to n. Plug that in and you guys get D. Moving this over here, number 9. So we are going to get into log form, so we got to subtract 9 first. So 4 log of 11, 3x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 4. Log base 11 of 3x is equal to 2. Now get it from log form to exponential form. So 11 to the second power is equal to 3x. Divide both by 3. So put this in your guys' calculator and you should get C. Number 10. So we need this to get log form, so we're going to add 1 to both sides first. Negative 6 log base of 4 x minus 9 is equal to 12. Divide both by negative 6. Log base 4 of x minus 9 is equal to negative 2. It's in log form now. Now let's get it to exponential form. So 4 to the negative 2 is equal to x minus 9. Add 9 to both sides. And we're going to get 4 to the negative 2 plus 9 is equal to x. Put that in your calculator and you guys should get that. Alright, number 11. Alright, so we have a log and there's a positive, which means this is, you guys, product rule. So, log base 8 of x times x plus 12 is equal to 2. So log base 8 of x squared plus 12x is equal to 2. Now change log form to exponential form. 8 to the second is equal to x squared plus 12x. So 64 equals x squared plus 12x. Subtract 64 from both sides. 0 is equal to x squared plus 12x minus 64. Factor x plus 16, x minus 4. So then x is equal to negative 16 or 4. Now, if you guys plug this in to your equation, notice you will get negatives, which means for negative 16, this is not going to be an answer, so your only answer is 4. Alright, 12. Log and a log, and there's a positive sign, so that means you guys use your product rule. You guys use your product rule, so it's going to be log base 4 of 3 times 3x squared equals 2. Log base 4 of 9x squared is equal to 2. Now we have log form, make it into exponential form. So 4 to the second is equal to 9x squared. 16 equals 9x squared. Divide both by 9. 16 over 9 equals x squared. Square root both sides, and you guys are going to get plus or minus 4 thirds equals x. If you guys plug in either of those into this x right here, it's going to be positive. So both of these answers are going to work. Alright, 13. Alright, natural log and a minus, which is quotient rule. So ln of 10 over 5x is equal to 5. So let's change the ln to be a log base e, so we can make this into log form. And let's change it to exponential. E to the 5th power is equal to 10 over 5x. Multiply both sides by 5x. These cancel. So we are going to get, now notice I'm going to be putting this x to the n. So 5e to the 5th, x equals 10. Divide both sides by 5e to the 5th power. So x is going to equal to 10 over 5e to the 5th. Put that in your calculator and you should get that. 14. Natural log, and a minus sign in between, which means, you guys, that's going to be quotient rule. That's going to be quotient rule. So ln of 8 over negative 4x is equal to 3. Let's change the natural log to be a log base of a e. So e to the 3rd power is equal to 8 over negative 4x. Times both by negative 4x. You guys are going to get negative 4 e to the 3rd x equals 8. Divide both by negative 4e to the 3rd. So x is going to equal to 8 over negative 4e to the 3rd, which is going to give you guys that. Alright, next. This one, you guys, log and a log, and it's a positive sign in between, which is going to be product rule. So log base 6 of 4x squared minus 10 is equal to 3. Log base 6 of 4x squared minus 40 is equal to 3. Log form to exponential form, so 6 to the 3rd is equal to 4x squared minus 40. 216 equals 4x squared minus 40. Add 40 to both sides. And divide both by 4. 64 is equal to x squared. Square root both sides. Plus or minus 8 is equal to x. And that's going to be, oh, if you plug both of those into here, it's going to be a positive. So this is your guys' answer. Alright, lastly, 16. Well, I've dragged it for this long, I might as well just drag it for the last one. Okay, log and a minus sign, which is quotient rule. So log base 6 of 9 divided by negative 4x is equal to 1. So this is log form, make it into exponential. So 6 to the 1st is equal to 9 over negative 4x times both sides by negative 4x. These cancel, so you guys are going to get negative 24x equals 9. Divide both by negative 24. X is equal to 9 over negative 24. Divide top and bottom by 3. X is equal to 3 over negative 8, which is B. Alright, there you guys have it.